This paella mixta is a fun, shareable one-pan meal that will wow your guests when it arrives at the table. Let's get started. Heat some extra virgin olive oil with a ripe fruity flavor in a paella pan over medium-high heat. Sauté the chorizo until it is golden brown, remove it and set aside. Add the pork and the chicken to the pan and sauté until the pieces are golden brown, about 5 minutes. Now remove the meat and set these aside. Add the green bell peppers, onions, carrots, and garlic and sauté until softened, about 2 minutes. Stir in the rice so that each piece is coated with the oil. Toast the rice until it becomes translucent but not brown. Add tomato, piquillo peppers, and add back in the brown chorizo, chicken, and pork. I have chicken stock simmered with a little salt and saffron here that I'll add to the rice mixture. You can see what a beautiful golden color it has. Bring this to a boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, adding more stock if necessary. When the rice is about 10 minutes away from being done, it's time for the rest of the ingredients. Arrange the shrimp, mussels, and clams on top of the rice, making sure the valves of the shellfish are submerged so that they will open upward. Cover with foil and continue to cook for 10 minutes until the shellfish are all opened. Add the artichokes and peas and cook until warmed through. Serve the paella in the same paella pan it was cooked in, garnished with lemon juice, lemon wedges, chopped parsley, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it, paella mixta. Your guests will love this classic Spanish dish.